This is an introductory video about the Hitachi Group Sustainable Procurement Guidelines. This video introduces the Hitachi Group's corporate philosophy, its approach to sustainability, and key principles of sustainable procurement. It is divided into two sections. The first explains Hitachi Group identity and its approach to sustainable procurement, and the second provides an overview of the Sustainable Procurement Guidelines. For more detailed information, please refer to the full version of the guidelines. We invite you to watch this video to the end as a first step toward working together with Hitachi to realize a more sustainable society. Hitachi Group identity and approach to sustainable procurement. Since its founding, Hitachi has embraced the mission of contributing to society through the development of superior original technology and products. This mission forms our identity as the Hitachi Group and drives us to continually tackle social challenges. Sustainability lies at the core of Hitachi's business strategy. We practice what we call sustainability management and strive to build a sustainable society through our social innovation business. CPO message. Hitachi has defined the code of conduct that we expect our procurement partners to comply with in the Hitachi Group Sustainable Procurement Guidelines. Hitachi believes that the implementation of sustainability-oriented business activities by our procurement partners will not only contribute to the sustainable growth of the Hitachi Group, but also bring positive impacts to our partners, such as increased trust from employees and the enhancement of long-term corporate value. We kindly ask for your understanding and adherence to this code of conduct. Sustainable Procurement Guidelines. We created these guidelines to promote and implement sustainable procurement across the Hitachi Group. The guidelines consist of two main components. 1. Hitachi Group's policies and sustainability initiatives. 2. Hitachi Group Procurement Partner Code of Conduct. To support your understanding of our Procurement Partner Code of Conduct, we will first explain our group policies and sustainability activities. We will then outline expectations for procurement partners based on the Code of Conduct. To bring our Hitachi Group identity to life, contributing to society through the development of superior original technologies and products, we value the principles of harmony, sincerity, and pioneering spirit. These values form the foundation of the Hitachi Group identity, which also incorporates the Hitachi Group vision, our vision of what Hitachi aspires to be. The Hitachi Group Code of Ethics and Business Conduct consists of rules and principles to assist officers and employees in making decisions and taking actions consistent with the Hitachi Group identity. The Hitachi Group is committed to fulfilling its responsibility to respect human rights throughout its value chain, including all stakeholders. Our human rights policy sets forth this commitment in concrete terms. Hitachi has developed an environmental vision and long-term environmental targets that clearly outline the type of society we aspire to build over the long term, considering global trends and escalating environmental challenges and our own corporate policies. Hitachi has established guidelines for procurement activities as standards for business transactions which apply to all Hitachi executives and employees in connection with their activities purchasing necessary materials, products, services, and information from outside sources. Furthermore, to prevent support for armed groups, human rights violations including child labor, corruption, and environmental destruction in conflict and high-risk areas, we have adopted a responsible mineral procurement policy. Let us now take a closer look at our Procurement Partner Code of Conduct. This code outlines the behavior and principles which we expect all procurement partners to follow. Throughout, we ask for the following: compliance to the Hitachi Group Sustainable Procurement Guidelines, cooperation with questionnaires or on-site audits by the Hitachi Group, prompt reporting to Hitachi and agreement on countermeasures in the event of non-compliance or serious risks, extension of the Code of Conduct to your suppliers and subcontractors. The Code of Conduct covers 7 key areas. We will now provide an overview, but please refer to the full Procurement Partner Code of Conduct for further details. Respect the human rights of workers and treat them with dignity. ensure that no human rights are abused. All forms of forced labor are strictly prohibited. Child labor shall not be used in any business activity. Please maintain a safe and healthy working environment, in addition to minimizing the incidence of work-related injuries and illnesses. Please establish procedures and systems to prevent and manage workplace accidents and illnesses. Recognize that environmental responsibility is essential to your business operations. Identify the impacts of your activities on local communities and the environment, and take steps to minimize any adverse effects. Please set greenhouse gas emission reduction targets aligned with Hitachi's reduction goals and report on your progress. Ensure transparency in your business activities and remain accountable to stakeholders. Follow all applicable laws and regulations related to the prevention of bribery and corruption. Design products with safety in mind from the early stages of development. Establish a quality assurance policy and implement a PDCA cycle. Plan, do, check, act to drive continuous improvement. Comply with applicable laws and regulations to safeguard against threats on computer networks and protect personal data and privacy. Ensure strict protection of all stakeholders' personal information and privacy. Please establish codes and policies to ensure personal information is not obtained, used, disclosed, or leaked improperly or without authorization. Closely monitor your own business and supply chain. Implement a management system that supports compliance with the Code of Conduct. Establish policies on human rights, occupational health and safety, environment, and ethics that clearly state your company's commitment. Develop a corrective action process to promptly address any nonconformities identified through internal or external audits or assessments. This concludes our overview of the Hitachi Group Sustainable Procurement Guidelines. This video is designed to help our valued procurement partners better understand and adopt the principles outlined in the guidelines. For more information, we encourage you to review the full version of the guidelines and join us in promoting sustainable practices.